In this video, I show you two exciting Insta360 accessories related to the winter update on the X5. The first one is the free framing selfie stick and the other one is the photography grip. These tools both help us use the camera beyond the traditional 360 approach, adding extra photo and video functions in flat formats as well. Let's start with the free framing selfie stick, which was developed for videographers. As I mentioned in my previous video, with the winter update, a new gimbal mode arrived on the X5, allowing us to use this 360 camera as a compact gimbal camera. Practically, we can reframe our video in real time, taking advantage of its outstanding stabilization. You can find this option in InstaFrame 2 mode, with an extra option to record both in flat and 360 modes at the same time, or to record in 4K flat video while reframing with the brand new joystick. The new free framing selfie stick was built to add hardware control for all the virtual camera movements we would otherwise make by touching the camera screen. But this physical wheel provides smoother and more precise movements, just like operating a traditional gimbal. You'll find all essential functions right on the handle, so you can adjust everything remotely. You can switch between the front and back lenses and access two built-in virtual camera movement effects, such as spinning, which performs a full 360 rotation around the camera. Another popular gimbal effect, the barrel roll, is also available at your fingertips. The mount lets you switch between horizontal and vertical formats and includes an extendable selfie stick and tripod legs for fixed, hands-free shots. If you want a 2-in-1 camera, shooting in 360 while enjoying outstanding stabilization in flat mode, this accessory with Insta360 X5 delivers exactly that. This is how you can turn your 360 camera into a kind of traditional gimbal camera, while still having the flexibility to switch back anytime. And it seems the X5 can handle everything a gimbal camera can, while also solving what a gimbal can't. While the other accessory connects with other new features of Winter Update in single lens shooting. The photography grip, as its name suggests, helps turn the X5 into a street photography camera. In the camera settings, you can select a brand new cinematic aspect ratio, add different style borders, and choose from creative color profiles to create a stylish look straight out of the camera without having to color grade photos in post. In my previous tutorial, I show you these settings step by step. But now, let's talk about the new photography grip accessory, which turns X5 into a street photography camera with physical buttons and the feel of operating a real photo camera instead of a 360 camera or an action cam. You can use the button on the grip to operate the X5 while getting a large preview screen on the camera. The grip has a nice feel in the hand, with a tactile shutter button that delivers a satisfying click. And when you pair the new firmware function with this grip and even a small portable printer, you can create unique prints on the spot, complete with the date and time. It makes for a wonderful keepsake and gives off a charming 80s Polaroid vibe.
If you're interested in these accessories, check out the link in the description. And if you have any questions, write me in the comments and I'll answer them for you. If you found this short gear review helpful, hit the like button, and for more 360 content and tutorials, subscribe to my channel, and see you in the next video.